Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the unseen protectors of our planet? Imagine a scenario where Earth faced a potential catastrophe from an asteroid impact. Surprisingly, one of our solar system's largest planets, Jupiter, might have played a crucial role in saving us from such disasters. Our solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago from a rotating disk of gas and dust. Within this chaotic environment, the planets began to take shape, each with its own unique characteristics and gravitational influence. Jupiter, the largest planet, quickly became a dominant force due to its immense size and powerful gravitational field. Jupiter's gravitational pull is so strong that it acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, affecting the orbits of nearby objects. This gravitational influence is not just a passive force. It actively shapes the dynamics of our solar system, especially when it comes to potential threats from asteroids and comets. Imagine an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. In many cases, Jupiter's gravitational tug could alter the asteroid's trajectory, either flinging it out of the solar system entirely or redirecting its path away from the inner planets, including Earth. This phenomenon isn't just theoretical. Studies and computer simulations suggest that Jupiter's presence has likely reduced the number of asteroid impacts on Earth over billions of years. By deflecting or capturing asteroids that would otherwise pose a threat to our planet, Jupiter acts as a shield, protecting Earth and other inner planets from catastrophic collisions. One intriguing example is the Tunguska event of 1908. In a remote region of Siberia, an explosion equivalent to 35 megatons of TNT flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. While the exact cause is debated, some scientists speculate that Jupiter's gravitational influence may have redirected the asteroid towards Earth, minimizing potential damage elsewhere. Jupiter's role in our solar system's dynamics extends beyond just asteroids. It also plays a crucial role in clearing out comets from the outer reaches of the solar system. By altering their orbits, Jupiter can either send comets crashing into the Sun or eject them from the solar system entirely, reducing the likelihood of cometary impacts on Earth. Jupiter's gravitational influence is like a giant shield for Earth. Without it, our planet would likely experience more frequent and potentially devastating impacts from asteroids and comets. Scientists continue to study Jupiter's impact protection capabilities using advanced simulations and telescopic observations. These studies not only deepen our understanding of planetary dynamics, but also inform future strategies for planetary defense against asteroids and other near-Earth objects. Looking ahead as our technology and understanding of space evolve, we may one day develop systems to mimic Jupiter's gravitational influence, potentially enhancing our ability to deflect asteroids away from Earth and ensure our long-term safety. So, the next time you gaze at Jupiter in the night sky, remember its silent but powerful role as Earth's cosmic protector. From ancient times to the present day, Jupiter continues to save us from potential asteroid impacts, reminding us of the interconnectedness and wonder of our solar system.